Welcome to our modern living room tour. Whether you're redesigning your space or just seeking fresh inspiration, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore stylish decor ideas, clever design tips, and must-have trends to help you create a space that's both chic and inviting. Let's start with color schemes. In modern living rooms, neutral tones like beige, gray, and white dominate the palette, creating a clean and timeless look. To add personality, incorporate bold accent colors. Think emerald green cushions, a burnt orange throw, or navy blue curtains. These pops of color instantly elevate the space without overpowering it. Next up, furniture selection. Modern living rooms thrive on minimalism and functionality. Choose pieces with clean lines and sleek silhouettes, like a low-profile sofa, a contemporary coffee table, or a stylish armchair. Opt for furniture in neutral shades to keep the room feeling spacious and cohesive. Lighting plays a major role in setting the mood. Consider installing a statement chandelier or pendant light as the centerpiece. For a cozy ambiance, add floor or table lamps with warm-toned bulbs. And don't forget, natural light is your best friend. Maximize it with sheer curtains or stylish blinds. Now let's talk about decor accents. A modern living room isn't complete without wall art or stylish decor pieces. Go for large-scale abstract art or a gallery wall for a bold statement. Add texture with plush throws, patterned rugs, and decorative cushions to create a layered, inviting look. To keep your space clutter-free, embrace smart storage solutions. Sleek floating shelves, stylish baskets, and multifunctional furniture, like ottomans with hidden storage, help you maintain a clean and organized living room. And there you have it, a stylish and functional modern living room. Whether you're aiming for cozy minimalism or bold sophistication, these tips will help you create a space you'll love spending time in. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know your favorite design tip in the comments below. Thanks for watching.